What's happening, everyone? It's myself, Ruff Fusion, and welcome back to the video. So if you're wondering where that hand was coming from, I was trying to scare you all with this one. So yeah, thank you all so much for the support for the Nintendo multiplayer live streams I've been doing recently, and the community around that has been so much amazing. So you can probably tell that the things that I do cover on the channel is mostly like live streaming, YouTube shorts, and a bit of the tech stuff to do with PC and gaming as well, guys. So yeah, and not only that, a bit of how-tos as well, to be honest. So that's what this channel is focused on, by the way. So let's just get right into this one. And basically, I decided to get one of these today because I just don't want to use my other external hard drive, because obviously I've got so much stuff on there and I don't want to be taking that about. And plus, a backup of my YouTube channel, which is a lot, and I mean a lot of videos on there just in case anything happens. Okay, so what have we got at the back here? We've got massive capacity in a small enclosure, plug and place, and whatever you want to call it. Simplicity. Okay, right, and if you want to know how much I've paid for, I've actually paid like 39 UK pounds for it from Argos, and I was going to get a external SSD, but they are so absolutely expensive. But because I desperately needed one of these, the one I'm going to be using, this one I'm going to be using to store my music library on there, because I'm a DJ. So basically, I'm going to be using this to use my DJ setup and laptop, and the software that I use is Tractor. And so let's get back into this, guys. Let's go. If we can manage to get this one open. If you're all thinking this is ASMR, it's not ASMR. I'm just trying to keep on the down low on this one. Right. Oh, that was easy to open, to be honest. Okay, let's get right into it. Oh, it's a little bit difficult. So, yeah. Nice bit of fancy packaging in here. But I'll try to keep this video as short as possible. But there we go. Oh, no, something is literally stuck here. The sound of unboxing is just so mind relaxing, I should say. Oh, there we go. Right. So nice little fancy packaging here. Nice little fancy wrapper. As in, like, it can write lyrics on here, to be honest. And we got the USB lead here, the external hard drive wire that comes with it, and the quick start guide. Okay, that's all it is. And feeling the weight of this thing, it's quite heavy. But as you can see, it's the Western Digital Elements logo on the top. And I don't even know what this is. It's actually a vent hole. Vent slot, I should say. I do apologise for the autofocus on this, because I'm recording this off Motorola G8 Plus. So I don't even know if this is going to work or not. Presumably it's going to work anyway, because it's brand new. Actually brand new. Yeah, so I'm going to be taking this with my DJ laptop and my controller for me to have my music library on this. And yes, I do not want to carry the external hard drive all over the place. That's got so much valuable stuff in it. And years of doing YouTube, it's my backup on there. And okay. Quick start guide. It really shows you how to set this thing up, how to get started. Pretty much simple, to be honest. And those who are literally new to the computer world, I'm not even new to the computer world, I've been into the computer stuff for years, and I mean years. Right, okay, goes in here like that. But even looking at this, I've made a right mess, to be fair. Okay, let's get it right in here. Oh, it's not even working. Okay, it's a bit of a battle to get it in. Oh, why ain't this going in? Okay, what have I done wrong? Right. My only downside with it is a little bit... there we go. That slides in. So there it is. It's pretty much ready to use. And I like the little rubber feet that goes on here. And you got all these safety signs. And anything else we've got? No. No, I can't really find any chickens in there. Yeah, so I'll try to see if there's any chicken spawners in this box. And I'm talking about a bit of Minecraft in here. No, No, but I just have to say thank you so much for the huge support on the channel. It really, really does mean a lot. And I've been doing this channel for almost 4 years now. And the support I've been getting in the Minecraft live streams, it's just so unbelievable. And yeah, so every time I do live stream, I do tend to like not make any sense. I do come up with random memes that I just make out of, that I just come up with out of the blue. You know, but the community around the Fusion crew is just so amazing. You have no idea. So if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe and hit that notification bell. And if you got any kids or anything who's into live streaming, make sure you get them to like come and check myself out and see what I get up to. And the games I do live stream now again is Super Mario Maker 2, Animal Crossing, Minecraft, Splatoon 2, and I started streaming Knockout City, and there's various other games that I do live streams. So yeah, join the Fusion crew. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe, and I'll see you all soon. Take care.